the class. Today we will learn about the natural gas and its uses and why it is better than LPG, and we will also learn about that how fossil fuel can cause the global warming. Natural gas. Natural gas is a fossil fuel found naturally as a hydrocarbon gas mixture in the oil wells. Now, what is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbons are the substances that consist of only carbon and hydrogen. That means natural gas contains hydrogen and carbon. Its main component is methane, but it may also contain gases like carbon dioxide, helium, nitrogen and hydrogen sulfide are also found in natural gas in small percentage. So in large percentage we can find methane. Why natural gas is important as a fossil fuel? Natural gas is considered as this fossil fuel can be easily transported through pipes. It is stored as CNG, that means compressed natural gas, which is used for several purposes and is also used as a starting material for manufacturing many chemicals and fertilizer. So from them we can make many chemicals and also we can make the fertilizers. Natural gas does not cause pollution. Compressed natural gas is a natural gas stored under high pressure. Why CNG is useful? CNG is used as fuel to generate power. We have learned about it. Cleaner fuel for transport the vehicles. That means less polluting than petrol and diesel. Fuel in homes and industries which can be supplied through pipes. That means it can be transported through the pipe. CNG pipeline network already exists in Vadodara in Gujarat and some parts of Delhi and some other places. Now, why CNG is considered as a cleaner fuel? Natural gas is considered a better fuel than coal and petroleum because it is cleaner. This means that it results in less amount of pollution than the other fossil fuels. Natural gas emits 50% less carbon dioxide, sulfur and nitrogen oxide in the air, and that is why it is called the cleaner fuel. However, it is not the best solution as there are better sources of energy present nowadays, like the solar energy. Next one is where we can find the natural gas. In India, vast reservoirs of natural gas are found in Maharashtra, here, Rajasthan, here, Tripura and river delta of Krishna and Godavari. See here. Alright. Some natural resources are limited, as we already know. Fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas cannot be created in the laboratory as it is not possible to create the natural conditions under which they are formed. Moreover, it takes thousands of years for them to be formed. Consequences of the burning of fossil fuel. Increase in air pollution. The burning of fossil fuels result in the release of unburnt carbon particle in the air. These particles act as pollutants and increase air pollution. Fossil fuels release poisonous gases such as carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, so global warming. Fossil fuels when burned release large amount of carbon dioxide in the air. As the amount of carbon dioxide increases, it results in an increase in global temperature of the earth and leads to global warming. Now what happens when we burn these fossil fuels? They emit carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, which is very toxic, and along with that some other greenhouse gases formed a layer in our atmosphere. Now, they trap the heat in our atmosphere, which cause the global warming and climate change, which is the great threat nowadays. Why should we use fossil fuels economically? They are available in limited quantities. Burning these fuels also cause air pollution as well as global warming. I have already told you about that. Hence, we should use these fuels economically to make sure that we can use them for a longer time. The risk of global warming gets reduced and we can live in a cleaner environment. How can we save petrol or diesel while driving? According to the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, that is PCRA, in India, we can save petrol or diesel while driving by drive at a constant and moderate speed, maintain tire pressure at correct levels, switch off the engine when you are waiting, such as traffic lights. Do regular maintenance of your vehicle. Why fossil fuels can last for 100 years only? Now, this is threatening. Fossil fuels are exhaustible resources, which mean that they are not present in abundant quantities on the earth. They take hundreds and thousands of years to regenerate. The rate at which they are being consumed today is increasing at a rapid pace. Hence, scientists claim that they can be replenished completely in 100 years. So that is threatening. So this is all for today. Read the chapter carefully and will provide the PDF of the exercise. Take your time and give me the completion report on Friday evening. Okay? Thank you, students.